The School Kids. S Z. Hello kids, how are you? Today you will learn about farm animals. Farm animal sheep. I am a sheep. I am big and white. My baby is called a lamb. I give you wool. I say ba ba. Farm animal goat. I am a goat. I have 2 horns. My baby is called a kid. I climb hills and rocks. I say mama. Farm animal rabbit. I am a rabbit. I have a fluffy short tail. I have long ears. My baby is called a bunny. I say squeak, squeak. Farm animal duck. I am a duck. I have a yellow bill. My baby is called a duckling. I eat vegetables and worms. I say quack, quack. Farm animal horse. I am a horse. I am big and brown. My baby is called a foal. I can run fast. I eat grass and hay. I say neigh, neigh. Farm animal cow. I am a cow. I am black and white. My baby is called a calf. I give you milk. Milk can be made into butter. I say moo moo. Farm animal turkey. I am a turkey. I am the largest bird on the farm. My baby is called a poult. I eat seeds and fruits. I say yelp, yelp. Farm animal dog. I am a dog. I help on the farm. I sleep in a nail. My baby is called a puppy. I eat meat. I say woof, woof. Farm animal hen. I am a hen. I am found almost all over the world. The male is called a rooster and the female is called a hen. I say cluck, cluck. Thanks for watching video. Like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.